Hi, good afternoon. Today I'm going to explain you about an ultrasonic thickness gauge. Ultrasonic, as the name suggests, is basically dependent on speed of sound. So for objects which are not on which thickness is difficult to check, suppose there is a long tank which is 1 meter long and 600 millimeters wide, and we need to check the thickness of that particular piece in the center, or we take it as something like a long pipe carrying material which is iron, any material, but the pipe, and then we need to check the thickness of that particular pipe, so that how much is the total thickness now, so that we come to know well in advance before the pipe gets explodes or gets corroded. Now today we explain you about a model called UTG 111A. This particular model is a basic model where we can check thickness of maybe 10 components in total. Here, as though it is an ultrasonic thickness gauge, but we cannot change the speed of sound in this. It's already built in. So there are particular places at which we can check, and then in case it's not the standard material, then we need to look for a better model. Here the material we can check is iron and steel, aluminium, copper, brass, zinc, tin, lead, glass, polyvinyl chloride and acrylic. And here these are the pre-fed velocity of sound. So for iron steel is 5900, aluminium 6320, copper 4700 and so on. Here the other thing is the least count of this particular ultrasonic thickness gauge is 0.1 and not 0.01, and the minimum reading where we can take is from 1.2 millimeters to 200 millimeters. So I'll explain you now the procedure how to use. This is a power. We switch it on. Right now it says FS, which means Ferris. Speed of sound 5900, which is already fed in. We cannot change this. Now the first and the foremost thing is calibration, which means we need to check whether this particular component is giving a right reading or not. This is a cable through which we take the reading. This is a transducer and this is a crystallite. So from one side the speed of sound goes inside and from the other it comes back. We will use the gel, which is also called a coupling gel, to check. First thing is to check the calibration. The internal calibration is 4 millimeters. We use coupling gel so that there is no gap or no bubble and we are able to check a right reading. It should show us a reading of 4. So here we see it is giving us a reading of 4, which means the material is, this particular machine is good for ready for use. Now if our material is iron and steel, we can directly change, else aluminium. Now it's a toggle, so aluminium, copper, brass, zinc, tin, lead, forgotten. So we come back to iron and steel. So this is how it works, and it's very simple to use. In case you need a spare cable, it's always available with us. The product is guaranteed for 1 year, which means free of cost repair with parts, and the guarantee only stands on the main unit, not on the cable. The reason being, it is a very delicate crystal. In case we drop it, it will break, and that's why it is not covered under guarantee. I hope this particular video will be of use to you. For further information, you can see our website, which is www.portable-testers.com. That is PORTABLE-testers, TESTERS.com.